Welcome back to another video. Today we have my Audi S6, and today we're going to be replacing the stock airbox filter slash intake with the upgraded CTS cold air intake, so stay tuned. But before getting into the video, if you guys are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe, hit the like, share the video, that way I can make more videos, and let's get into the video. All right, we're going to start by lifting up the engine cover from the engine bay. Carefully pry up on all four corners, obviously with your hands, and carefully remove the engine cover. Next, go ahead and loosen the clamps to the turbo inlets. I don't know why I did all four of them, but you only need to do two of them. Alright, let's go ahead and try to take these hoses from the turbo inlets. They are really stuck in there, they're hard to get off. I was trying to work my way from the bottom, and as you guys can see, it's kind of hard to take off, but just do your best, don't break anything. Alright guys, on this next clip I'll be using my flathead screwdriver, trying to pry the bottom section to the airbox, trying to disconnect that section there. As you also can see, it's freezing out there. You can see the smoke coming out of my mouth, so that's why I'm doing a voiceover. And again, these inlet pipes, the hoses are really jammed in there, so I'm going to do my best to pry them out of there with the flathead. For those Audi fans that have a weak stomach, I suggest you guys look away right now. And boom, yeah, I broke a little piece on the airbox. Guess we're not using this box anymore. We were able to remove the airbox, and as you guys can see on the inside, a bunch of leaves. Looks like this filter hasn't been replaced in a very long time. Now I decided to bust out the flathead screwdriver again to try to wrestle with these hoses stuck to the inlets, and just be careful with them. And here we have the new intake. It's made by CTS Turbo. I actually got this kit from ECS Tuning. I'm gonna go ahead and build the bottom end, put the cone in, put the clamps, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Here we have the first one built. I'm gonna switch this around. And we have the finished product over here. Let's go ahead and turn the car on, see if we have any check engine lights. If we do, let's clear them out, but I doubt there will be any check engine lights. And let's give it a few revs, see how it sounds. And we're back from the test drive, and guess what, guys? It sounds stock, man. There's nothing changed. You can't even hear the turbos. Usually you'll hear it whistle or whatever. You cannot hear it with the CTS intake. So if you guys have a better, way better intake that's going to make these turbos sound better, please put them in the comments below, because I just wasted $360, so they're not worth it. And with that being said, that wraps it up for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like, subscribe. I was freezing my butt out there, so please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys on the next video.